What up guys, FN-FOREX right here. Welcome to 2025. Welcome to my targeted year and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys step-by-step guide on how to succeed in 2025. Your pathway to success in 2025. Like I said earlier, 2025 is my targeted year. Back in 2021, I had my bio back in 2021 as FN-FOREX 2025 because there was something about 2025. I was giving myself time in 2025. I set big goals to achieve it in 2025, right? I've been working towards that. I don't know, you might be starting your own targeted time. You might be giving yourself time from 2025. Maybe you say 2030. Maybe you say this Forex 2030 or this Forex 2028, right? I'm going to give you guys step-by-step guide on how to go about 2025, setting goals, achieving them, and so on and so forth. Let's get right into the video. So the first step, walking into 2021, setting clear goals. When we talk about goals, my favorite quote is right there on my wall. Dreams without goals are just dreams and ultimately they fuel disappointment. Let me explain you that phrase. You all have dreams. What do you want to achieve in 2025? Is it buying that Mercedes Benz? Is it building a house for your mom? Is it doing whatsoever? That dream needs to be backed up by a goal. So you need to set a clear goal. Be specific when it comes to your goals. That's one thing. Be specific. I want to maybe make $10,000 within the first 3 months or within the first 6 months. Or I want to achieve these numbers. Just be specific with your numbers, right? Be specific with your numbers. I want to achieve this within this length of time. Now, once you have set clear goals, you have specifications of those particular goals, write them down. Write the goals down. It's very important. Write your goals down. Once you have written your goals down, what's the next thing to do? What do I do to achieve it? Right? What do I do to achieve it? It might be Forex. I am a Forex trader. Of course, I'll start with Forex. Now, I want to become a profitable trader by the end of 2025. I want to become a profitable trader maybe in the first 6 months of 2025. What do you have to do? First of all, knowledge. That is the first thing that's needed. How do I gain that knowledge? Read books, watch videos, maybe take a YouTube course if you can afford it. If you can afford it, FN-FOREX Academy Mentorship session starts on the 6th of January. You can go with that. If not, okay, I cannot afford the money. Yes, but what other options do I have to achieve that my goal, to achieve that my dream? I cannot pay FN-FOREX course, but FN-FOREX has a YouTube channel, FN-FOREX Academy on YouTube. You go there, you watch those videos for free. There must be something for you to do. Now, you have those videos. How do you watch those videos? That's you setting the goal, right? I'll watch one every day. That is a goal. You are struggling to achieve that your dream of becoming a profitable trader in 6 months. What do you need to do? That goal of watching one video every day, or reading this book within this length of time, or taking this course serious. You understand? You set goals. It might not be trading. It might be maybe handwork. Maybe you are learning computer, right? What is needed for you to learn that computer, to achieve it? Give yourself time. How long will I take to achieve this particular goal? How long do I want to take to learn this computer, to be a master at it? And there's one thing involved. When you get into something and you're getting real serious, you have a focus. You are striving to be the best at it. Strive to be better every day, right? And for you to strive to be better every day, what next? Consistency. Will you be able to apply that consistency for the goal you have set? In my house, I always have like an A4. I've set those goals. I've written them on it. Then I always gum on my table. Why? That helps for consistency. Once you have it set down on your table, on your working table, maybe on the corridor to enter your room, or maybe on your bedside cupboard, somewhere visible, right? That you can see it daily. It helps you visualize it daily and helps you keep that consistency. Consistency is not easy. There are some days where you wake up, you just don't have the strength. There are some days where you wake up, you're distracted, or you have other things to do. But as long as you keep that goals, right? As long as you have written it down clearly, you know, this is what I must do. You are entitled to doing those things before any other thing comes in. We all have dreams. What is your dream? What is your dream for 2025? Comment down below. Now, that dream, what do you need to achieve that dream? What are the things you need to do? Those are the goals, right? What are the things you need to do to achieve that dream? Write it down. How do you do to keep consistency? Probably I'll do another video on consistency alone, because consistency is a whole topic on its own. But I've given you one tip for you to be consistent. Write it down. Look at it every day. With time, as you do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it becomes a habit. Once it becomes a habit, you have succeeded. Some people are frustrated in 2024. Some people ended in 2024 very frustrated. Why? Because they did not achieve their dreams. Why did you not achieve your dreams? Dreams without goals are just dreams, and ultimately they fuel disappointment. Some people are bitter, some people are angered. Some people look at other people's success and feel like maybe they did something wrong. They did not do something wrong. They simply had their dreams backed up by goals, right? And they kept consistency. Let me just read you all my most favorite quote. On the road to achieving your dreams, you must apply discipline, but most importantly, consistency. Because without commitment, you will never start, but without consistency, you will never finish. Now, 2025, we all have this dream. I want to start going to the gym. I must get fit this year. I must become a profitable trader this year. I must buy this car this year. That. Yes, we all have that. We have all said that. We know what to do. But will you keep it consistent? Because without consistency, you will never finish. So no matter what you decide to do in 2025, make sure that consistency is involved. Because if there's no consistency involved, you will end 2025 very disappointed. Why? Because you had the dreams, but you did not back them up by the goals. What do I do to achieve these dreams? And you become disappointed. The next important point I want us to talk about is overcoming procrastination. When we talk about procrastination, it's just, you sitting on your bed, okay, I will start today, or I will start next week, or I will start next month. January will come and pass, February will come and pass. Just like that, first 6 months of the year has come and pass, you have not started. How do we overcome procrastination? It still goes down to goal setting. When you set a goal, when you have this goal to do, this is what I have to do to achieve my dreams for 2025, right? You break them down to daily. When you break them down, you are breaking it down to small tasks. It can be just small, as easy as 30 minutes of your day to watch a video, or 30 minutes of your day to pay attention to that particular task you have to do to achieve that your dream. When you break it down to these daily goals, I bet you it's going to be easy. If you can achieve it today, you achieve it tomorrow, you achieve it after tomorrow. Achieving it in 5 days, achieving it in 7 days, you have achieved it for the week. You come back the next week, you do same, you have achieved it the next week, 2 weeks, 1 month you have achieved. If you can achieve your daily goals, that is if I'm saying that, okay, I'll do this 1 hour today every day. I'll do it today, do it tomorrow, do it after tomorrow, do it in a week. Probably you have done it in a week already. You come back the next week, you do it today, you have done it in 2 weeks, 1 month. That is how you achieve your monthly goal. And if you achieve it within the next 6 months, you have achieved the 6 months. Within the other next 6 months, you have achieved a yearly goal. Don't say that, okay, I'll do it within this week. A week is too much. Break those goals down to small milestones, daily milestones, and strive to maintain it on a daily. As you achieve it daily, you have definitely succeeded in achieving it in a year. The next step is my most important: health and well-being. Health and well-being. If you are doing all of these, striving to achieve your goals, your dreams for 2025, without taking care of your health and your well-being, then you are definitely not doing yourself any good. When it comes to health and well-being, we are talking about your mental health and physical health. I'll start with mental health because we traders have a lot to do with mental health. Our mental health is very important. First of all, if you are entering 2025 and you have something disturbing you mentally, please try as much as possible to solve that problem. Mental health can be the worst thing that will affect you negatively. Is it a friend? If you have this sort of friends that give you stress, cut it off. If you have this kind of relationships that give you stress, cut it off. For real, I'm going to be very genuine with you. Cut them off, keep on one side, because it will not succeed. Your mental health has to be balanced. You get? And for your mental health to be balanced, you don't need to be stressed. So if there's anything, just give yourself a moment of silence. Do I actually have anything that is disturbing me mentally? If yes, try as much as possible to resolve that issue. Now the next, physical. You should be fit, not sick. If you are sick, make sure you take your medications to be fine. Have some time to walk. There are times I park my car and just decide to walk. I get up every morning on a normal. I do my push-ups, 100 push-ups. You can start with just doing 10 push-ups every morning. You must not necessarily go and register in the gym. You see this, my body that some of you admire. It's just push-ups. The whole of this year, I've not gone to the gym. I can count the number of times I've gone to the gym the whole of this year. But I have my push-ups in the house. I have my abdo rule. I have my rope. There are little things that you could do. There are apps that you could use to have home workout. Just to have that fit. And there's a lot that comes with, striving to be consistent with that. And it helps you mentally also. But, just be physically fit. As long as you're physically fit. By the way, if you're entering 2025 without having any issues, you are fine. If you can touch your body like this, you don't feel any pain. You are not sick. First of all, thank God. Why starting this 2025? First of all, thank God. And strive to keep that good health for the rest of the year. Strive to keep your mental health balanced. Drink enough water. Eat very well. Those are just little things, little basic things that your body needs. You drink enough water, you eat healthy, and be grateful for what you have. And I'll emphasize again, your mental health. If you have anything that is disturbing you, if you have something that is maybe probably a talk, maybe you have to have a conversation with somebody to clear up things, have that conversation, right? Maybe it is somebody that's stressing you, cut the person off. Have your mental health balanced. And lastly, while in the process of achieving your dreams for 2025, right, make sure to celebrate small wins. Like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, 2025 has been my targeted year. Back in 2021, early 2021, I changed my bio on my YouTube to 2025. Now, I have a dream I have to achieve in 2025. But have I been celebrating my small wins? Yes. I just got my GRE. That's been one of my dreams. I've had family is stable. My family is stable. My mom just graduated, now fully employed. I've had my vacations this year. Celebrating small wins while in the process of achieving my big dreams. That is my dreams for 2025. It's big, it's massive, but I've been celebrating my small wins and it keeps me going. And there's one thing I would like to add before we end this particular video. There's a question I got. Aside from being hardworking, what really keeps you going? What makes you that successful? It's simple. I'm a positive person. I don't hate. I focus on my today and my tomorrow. How was my yesterday and how is my tomorrow? How was my yesterday and how is my today? Right? Yesterday I was doing good. Today I'm doing better. That's my competition. My past and my future. That's my competition. That's one thing that really keeps me going. I am an open-minded person, right? I don't hate. Probably if you're around me with negative energy, I'll probably just cut you off because I don't want anything that will disturb my mental health. I am open-minded, open to learning, open to, hearing people's ideas, but not taking them all. Hear the ideas, filter them, and consume the one that you have to consume in. One secret for you, be open-minded. Don't hate. Relax. Relax yourself. Ask yourself questions. What do I do? What are the dreams I have? Write the dreams down. Once you write the dreams down, what do I do to achieve these dreams? Once you know what to do to achieve these dreams, write them down. How do I get consistent with these? Now you are striving to be consistent. that now depends on your personal discipline, how to get up every day and achieve those dreams. Have an open mind. 2025 is going to be a year. 2025 is a year for all of us. 2025 might have been my targeted year. It's been a long time, but within this, since 2021 to 2025, I've achieved a lot of things within the years, right? So definitely you're going to achieve your dreams for 2025. Just follow these simple steps. If you have any questions in regards to 2025, you have any questions in regards to maybe your dreams or what you want to achieve in 2025, if you have any questions for me, just drop down in the comment section, and do make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will be dropping more videos, motivational videos, psychological videos, and of course trading videos for all my traders, so we could get better in 2025 and we could achieve our dream of having that 1,000 profitable traders in Cameroon and 10,000 profitable traders across Africa. 2025 to the moon. Peace and love.